I used to pay for 7 different apps every single month. Premium subscriptions for writing, editing, research, music, and design. The bill kept growing. Then I started replacing them, one by one, with free AI tools that did the same job, sometimes better. By the end of this video, you'll know 7 free tools that can replace apps you're probably paying for right now. No catch, no trials, no credit card required. Let's get into it. Number 1, Claude. If you pay for ChatGPT Plus every month, you might not need to. Claude has a free version that handles 90% of what most people use AI for. Writing emails, summarizing articles, brainstorming ideas, helping with code. For writing especially, many users say Claude sounds more natural than ChatGPT, less robotic, fewer filler words. Try it at claude.ai. You'll be surprised how rarely you miss the paid version. Number 2, NotebookLM. This one is Google's hidden gem. NotebookLM lets you upload documents, PDFs, websites, YouTube videos, and then ask questions about them. Imagine reading a 100-page report and being able to ask, "What does this say about my topic?" It answers in seconds, with sources cited. Students use it to study, professionals use it for research. It's completely free at notebooklm.google.com. No premium version exists yet, it's just free. Number 3, Perplexity. If you still use Google for everything, this changes the game. Perplexity is a search engine, but instead of giving you 10 blue links to scroll through, it reads the web for you and gives you a real answer with sources at the bottom. It's like having a research assistant who has already read the internet. Use it for any question where you want a real answer, not a list of articles. Free at perplexity.ai. Number 4, Suno. This one feels like magic. Suno generates full songs from a text prompt. You type an upbeat lo-fi song about coffee mornings, and it produces a real song with lyrics, with vocals. That sounds professionally produced. Creators use it for intro music, background tracks, and YouTube video soundtracks. The free tier gives you 10 songs per day. More than enough. Find it at suno.com. Number 5, Bing Image Creator. If you've been paying for Midjourney at $10 a month, stop. Microsoft's Bing Image Creator uses the same underlying technology, DALL-E 3, and it's completely free with a Microsoft account. You get 100 image generations per week. The quality is excellent. Marketing teams use it for ads, bloggers use it for thumbnails, YouTubers use it for video visuals. Go to bing.com/create. Number 6, Krisp. This one is for anyone who takes meetings. Krisp removes background noise from your voice in real time. Crying babies, construction outside, coffee shop chatter, gone. It also has free AI meeting notes that automatically summarize your calls. Replaces tools like otter.ai that charge $20 a month. The free tier gives you 60 minutes a day of noise cancellation. Get it at krisp.ai. Number 7, CapCut. If you're a creator or you ever edit videos, this replaces Adobe Premiere Pro for 90% of users. CapCut is completely free, runs on phone or desktop, and has built-in AI features. Auto captions, background removal, beat matching for music, smart trimming. It even has a script-to-video feature now. Adobe Premiere costs over $20 a month. CapCut is free forever. Download it from CapCut.com. So that's 7 free AI tools. Claude for writing, NotebookLM for research, Perplexity for search, Suno for music, Bing Image Creator for images, Krisp for meetings, CapCut for video editing. Together, these tools replace over $100 in monthly subscriptions for 0 rupees. Try one this week. Pick whichever frustration you have right now. Writing, music, editing, whatever it is, there's a free AI tool that probably does it. If this list saved you money, do me one favor. Subscribe to TamcastHub. Every week I find the free tools and the underrated AI apps that big channels miss, so you spend less time confused, less money on subscriptions, and more time getting things done. I'll see you in the next video.